Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Issa here. Today we're going to read a story called All Are Welcome. The story is written by Alexandra Penfold and Suzanne Kaufman. Those are the two authors. All right, let's start reading. We already made our predictions, so we're just going to go ahead and start reading, okay? Pencils sharpened in their case, bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase, all are welcome here. Boys and girls, look around the class. Do you see any books or pencils in your classroom? Give me a thumbs up if you do. No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. So, boys and girls, you can make a connection to this text. So, good readers make connections to the text when something in the book reminds them of themselves. So, everyone can make a connection to waking up in the morning. Everyone can make a connection to playing. So, you can use this symbol for making connections if you are making any connections to the text as we continue reading. Some of you might also be able to make a connection when you hear the line, or if you come from far away. Maybe some of you were born in a different country, so you should be able to make a connection to that. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. So let's go around and introduce ourselves, okay? Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. What is your favorite special? Do you like music or do you like art? Time for lunch. What a spread. A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around until everyone's fed. All are welcome here. So if you look at this table over here, you can see different types of bread. We have traditional white bread. We have a loaf of bread. We also have other types of bread like naan from India and something called sangak from Persia and Iran. If you look at me. So you should be able to make a connection to this also. Everyone's always eating when it's lunchtime, right? That's another type of bread. We're going to do another lesson on that another day. Open doors, rush outside. We'll swing, we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. Raise your hand if you like recess. We're part of a community. Our strength is our diversity. A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. Wow, there's some great vocabulary here, boys and girls. Does anyone know what the word diversity means? Diversity means difference. There is diversity all around us. So if we look at all the children in the story, we can see diversity, people from all different cultures and backgrounds. Okay, they're all different. So look around the classroom and notice all the differences in your classmates. We have it right here in our classroom as well, just like in the story. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll uncover. There's a big world to discover. Oh my goodness, look at the kid with the slime. He must have had a science project. And this little girl, she's working on some type of science DNA project. Wow, in a volcano. That looks like a fun day. All are welcome here. They're having a celebration, it looks like, in the gym of all different cultures and allowing students to share and show some different dances and art from different culture. What a great day. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back, start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home to get some rest and greet tomorrow. Our time together is the best. All are welcome here. Ooh, look at this picture right here. I bet you guys can make a connection to that. Making dinner with your parents. I'm not sure what they're making, but anyone want to share what their family's favorite meal is? You have a place here. You are welcome here. So everyone needs to know they are welcome here at our school, in our classroom, and you are going to have a great year. Thanks for watching.